morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how you can convert a color image into black and white in Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you have finished your image. Once your image is finished and ready in Photoshop, you are ready to convert your image into black and white. The first way of doing this is by going to Hue and Saturation. Under Hue and Saturation, you will see the saturation bar. Move it to the minus 100. When you minus 100, you have removed all color from your image, hence a black and white image. So the first method is by using Hue and Saturation. The next method, which we all are familiar with, is by using black and white. Click black and white and this dialog box will appear, and at the same time you also can explore the various dialog box here to brighten your reds or to bring down your yellows and so on and so forth. So this is another common known method of making a black and white image fast. Two methods I've shared with you. The third is by using something called Channel Mixer. It's just here. Click on Channel Mixer, right? You will have monochrome and you click monochrome. Automatically you will have a black and white image. At the same time, you can explore the various channels here to give your black and white image more pop. Next, we're going to explore something, but before we explore the next method, you must make sure that your color picker here is in default. Yeah, so sometimes your color picker, you will have colors like this in your color picker, right? You will have this kind of colors. So to use the next method, you need to make this color picker into default by going to your keyboard, either Windows or Mac, and pressing D. Once you press D, the color picker becomes default, black and white. So once your color picker is on default, go to here, Gradient Map. Just click on Gradient Map and automatically you will have a black and white image which looks quite nice, right? So Gradient Map is a very good method to make a black and white image fast, right? So these are 4 different methods. The fifth method, you will need to do this. Go to your background layer and duplicate your background layer, either by, you can go to your keyboard, on Mac keyboard is Command J, or Windows keyboard Control J. You will have a duplicate layer. Once you have a duplicate layer, go to Filter, go to Camera Raw Filter and just click. This image will be brought into Camera Raw Filter, and once you are in Camera Raw Filter, in your basic panel you'll see treatment color, and you also will see black and white. Just click on black and white. You will have a beautiful black and white image. At the same time, you can explore the various settings here to give your black and white image more pop, right? So I've shared with you 5 methods of converting a color image into black and white. Hopefully you try this on your next pictures, and give me a comment on in the comment box. What do you think of this technique? With that, I thank you very much and see you in my next YouTube video. Good night.